have a video for you guys on how to do a high pony, especially if you have thin hair like I do. And I'm so grateful to insert name here. They sent me two of their ponies. One is called Lola and the other one is what I have in my hair right now. This is Jordynn. She's more of a curly girl. And I do both ponies for you guys so you guys can see the difference between one and the other. And also at the end I do have a little surprise, other little tutorial on how to do a low pony as well. Hoping that this will be helpful for anyone who has thin hair like I do and wants to actually use ponytails and actually incorporate them into your lifestyle or do really cute looks with them like this and do like a high ponytail. You could go higher if you wanted to, like bring up the ponytail higher here, or at the end you'll also see how I do it at the nape of the neck as well. So you can wear these different ways. It just depends on what your style is, but I really love the high ponytail. It just brings volume. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into the demo so you guys can actually see them in action. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a high pony with these insert name here ponies. We're gonna use the one named Lola in black brown and then also Jordynn in black brown as well. So what I usually use is this kind of what people call like a rat comb. I don't know. It's kind of like really nice and has a lot of hairs, so that way you can get like a really slick ponytail, and then also just a rubber band. And what I like to do is do a very high kind of like small bun and put all my hair in there. I do have more thin hair, so I enjoy using a lot of wigs and ponytails and stuff like that, just because it just kind of changes your look and can do like just a whole totally different look for your hair. So let's first just put up our hair. So I might fast forward this so you guys can just see it. So now that I have my ponytail, what I'm gonna do is just twist my hair and then I'm gonna twist it around itself. And then I'm gonna just take another one of these and just tie it. So as you can see, I have really thin hair. This is literally all my hair in a tiny little bun on top of my head. And when I use these ponies, I love it just because it gives me not only like volume, but also length. And it just makes my hair look amazing. And if you want, you could add a little bit of hairspray to add this. I like using more of a natural hairspray. I don't like it to look like way too glossed up. And as you can see there, I just have my little high top knot. And the first one we're going to try over my little top knot is this one. This is Lola, and this is the way they come. They have this little zipper, and I love the fact that it's clear like this, so you can just store them like this. It even has a little hole here, so if you wanted to, you could just hang it in your closet and have different ones available. And so here is Miss Lola. This is very similar to my own hair color. And as you can see there, she's more of a straight, and then she has a little bit of a flip underneath. And what you have is a little clip here. So you have a little clip and you have a mesh, and then you have this Velcro right here. And then you have an extra piece here, and this is just gonna wrap around. So basically, before I do all of this on camera, you want to put this little clip into your bun or your ponytail, whichever way you prefer. If you have thinner hair like me, I think that a little bun is gonna be better for you. And basically you clip this into the bun, and then you're gonna wrap this around until this Velcro meets this one right here. And then once you do that, then you wrap the rest of it, and then they actually come with two of these bobby pins so you can actually secure it in place as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. Basically what I just said, I'm gonna do right now. So what I do is I flip it all the way back. I'm going to insert that clip, which is what I'm doing right there to secure it. I grab the pony, and then I'm taking the Velcro and attaching it to the other side. And then we're gonna grab that extra piece of hair and then tie that baby around. And this is just so simple and easy. If you are in a hurry and just want to do your hair up or take this on vacation and have a really cute to go look, I feel like this just spruces or like spruces up any look. And ta-da! Look how cute she is with her little flip. So let me see if I can turn around so you guys can see her. Hopefully you guys will see how cute she is. And then here in the front, she just kind of reminds me of that like 50s or 60s vibe. Look how adorable she is. So a very cute high ponytail right there. And to take it off, you're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna take out your bobby pins, and then I have 2 just in there, and then you're gonna wrap it back off. Oop, and then just pop it off. And now we're gonna do a high pony with Jordynn. Next up we have Jordynn, and Jordynn has just beautiful kind of waves and curls to her. And likewise, we're gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna come around, grab her in, turn the Velcro all the way around, and then wrap this into place. And I actually use Jordynn out. I'll try to find the footage for the 4th of July, and I absolutely just love the way it looked. Especially being a mom of a toddler, I just feel like this is so easy to do. So here is Jordynn. And here is Jordynn. Look how fun she is with all her curls. I'll also try to put in the footage of me wearing this on the 4th of July. I feel like she's so much fun with all these curls, especially if you don't have this amount of volume or hair like I do. I feel like this is just a fun way of adding just so much fun to your style of hair, and also volume and length and the whole 9 yards. Wigs and ponytails have just really been so much fun for me. I literally have a cabinet full of them. I just love them. So this is also just, like I said, an easy style to be able to go out, especially if you have a toddler like I do. You basically can just do a high ponytail and then feel like more put together with these kinds of ponies. So hopefully this was helpful to anyone who wanted to learn how to do a high pony, especially if you have thin hair. So that is it for my video. Let me know if this was helpful for you guys. I will also insert a clip here of actually doing it as a low pony. If you're interested, you could actually do one at the nape of the neck as well. I thought that I would just incorporate that in just in case you guys are interested in doing one, a lower one. But basically it's the same concept, just doing it down below. But overall, I love these ponies. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you tried one? What are your thoughts? Which one is your favorite? I'd love to hear from you down below. I'll also do a playlist of all my insert name here ponies so you guys can see all the different ones that I've tried and what they look like on. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe. And also you can follow me on my social media if you want to see more looks of ponies and wigs and just makeup. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.